Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. Today we're at a new spot to do some fishing, so hopefully we catch something. Hey guys, so we're out fishing right now. My buddy Gary caught himself his very first fish.
Look at him go.
What is that called? Sunfish? Yeah.
Okay.
This is actually my first fish on this rod.
Hey guys, so I'm just sitting here fishing. I haven't caught anything yet. Sorry about the wind, a little bit windy, but that's alright. Hopefully we'll catch something. It's nice to be out fishing today.
Staring at two different views on your window ledge. Coffee is gone cold, it's like time froze.
Hey guys, so I moved down to another location. Got one bite, but not really active here, so right now I'm just using a hook and a worm.
Woo! Yeah. We shocked her. Told you, electric.
That hurts.
Yeah. Gotta keep the horse in.
Yeah, it makes sense. I feel bad.
Hey guys, so we're all done fishing at this place. We're going down to another spot. Not really having any luck here. Best thing about this place, there's horses right behind me there, so pack up this stuff and go down to a new spot to do some fishing. My buddy Gary caught a little sunfish here. Me, I caught nothing. Hey guys, so before we go to the new spot, we're checking out this bird sanctuary. Gonna go check out some more. We're already seeing a bald eagle and an owl, so we got a couple more things over here to check out.
89, yeah.
Oh, hello. Hello, little guy. Northern saw what owl? What owl? Oh, yeah. Oh, here's vultures. Buzz. Mute buzz. They don't have mice, I feel.
Hey guys, so if you don't know what those boxes were, those are honeybee nests. So farmers can collect honey. So that's what that was honeybees. This place is pretty neat. Lots of birds we've seen. Apparently there's a bison here as well, so we're gonna try to look for that after we get ready to go to our new fishing spot. Hey guys, I've been home for probably an hour now, just relaxing. My brother caught a fish today. My buddy Gary caught a fish today. I did not catch nothing at all. But I had a great time today. Got to hang out with a friend, got to do some fishing with him. Got to see some neat birds as well, so that's going to be it for the vlog today. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you guys hit that like button. And if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification so you guys can see more videos like this when they get uploaded. I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Have a great night. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you guys hit that like button. And if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. And if you guys want to follow me on my social media, links are in the description below. And check out my last video.